Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 10th NCERT Chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry. Previous lecture I have explained you about the relation of trigonometric ratios with PBH with the slogan Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. Today I will give you some examples based on it. Here a triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle ACB is equal to theta. Find all the trigonometric ratios with respect to theta. It is the question. Find all the trigonometric ratios with respect to theta. First of all, you will draw a triangle ABC, in which angle B is 90 degree and angle C is equal to ACB, means it is theta. AB is given 4 centimeter and BC is given 6 centimeter. AB is 4 and BC is 6 centimeter. One side is not given. If it is theta, then by this theta you can get directly opposite side 4 centimeter and 6 sin theta you can get. But one side is not given. First of all, question given, you find all the trigonometric ratios. So first of all you find the third side also. Apply Pythagoras. By Pythagoras you will get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to, here 4 square plus 6 square, 4 4 ja 16, 6 6 ja 36, 52. 6 plus 6 12, 3 plus 1 52. AC is equal to under root 52, which gives you 13 4 ja 62. 4 square root is 2, 2 under root 13. Or directly you can write this. It is your answer of AC. Now it is 2 under root 13 centimeter. Now what is the tan theta? Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. You will write Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. According to this, I have told you sin theta. What is the sin theta? P upon H. Sin cos tan. P upon H. What is the P? Further this, it will be the P, it will be the base and it will be the hypotenuse. According to this you write sin theta is equal to P means 4 upon 6, that is 2 by 3. P upon 6, 2 root 13. You are getting 2 and 2 cancel, you will get 2 upon root 13. It is your sin theta. Cos theta is equal to B upon H. B upon H. Cos theta you will get, what is the base given? Base is given 6, hypotenuse given 2 root 13. 6 upon 2 under root 13, you will get 3 upon root 13. It is your cos theta. Tan theta, third identity, P upon B, sin cos tan, P upon B. So what is the perpendicular? 4 upon 6 there, and you simplify, you will get 2 to the 4 upon 2 3 the 6. So 3 answers you are getting, and I have told you by these 3 you can get other 3 by the reciprocal. So cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. You will get root 13 by 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, sec theta, not cos. Sec theta is equal to reciprocal 1 upon cos theta. What is the reciprocal? Root 13 by 3. Tan theta is over, cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. That is 1 upon tan theta, and you will get, what is the tan theta given? 2 by 3, it will be 3 by 2. All the 6 trigonometric ratios you are getting by this question. Another is given the tan theta. If it is given a question, if tan theta, next example, if tan theta is equal to 3 by 5, find other tan theta or tan A, tan B. If tan theta is given here 3 by 5, find other trigonometric ratios. So tan theta is given, it means P upon B is given. What is given? P upon B. Tan theta means it is the P upon B. So let perpendicular with the proportional constant, and it is 5k. You can draw a right triangle in which one acute angle is theta. If the tan theta is given, it means one acute angle is theta and the other part, it is a 90 degree. Opposite side is perpendicular, which is 3k. And the adjacent side base, it is 5k. You want to find out this hypotenuse. By Pythagoras, we will calculate. By Pythagoras, h square is equal to p square plus b square. Put the value h square is equal to p square. What is the p? 3k square. 3k square plus 5k square. 9k square plus 25k square. What will you get? 34k square. Then what is the h? H will be under root 34. So it is a k under root 34 you are getting. Because 34 is not a perfect square. So your answer will be k under root 34. Now you will get another question, parts. What is the, now you remember it, what is the sine, cos, tan, cot? Sine, cos, tan. Tan is given. Tan theta is given. How? What is? Tan theta is equal to 3 by 5. So cot theta directly you can get. Tan theta is equal to this. Then cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So what will you get? 5 by 3. Reciprocal. Very simply. But what is the sine, cos and sec, cosec? It will be calculated by again Pandit Badri Prasad Harar Bole. So you will get sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. So what is the sine? Sine theta is equal to P upon H. First one. Sine theta P by H. What is the P given here? 3k. And what is the H given? K under root 34. So k cancel. What is your answer? 3 by under root 34. If you are getting the sine, then you can get the cosec directly by reciprocal, which I have told you in the previous lecture. What will be the answer? Root 34 upon 3. Same process will be for the cos. Cos theta is equal to, by this again Pandit Badri Prasad, sine, cos, tan. Cos is b by h. What is the base? 5k. 5k upon k under root 34. K and k will be cancelled. So your answer will be 5 upon under root here 34. Then cos related with the sec. Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So reciprocal of this, you are getting this. Two examples you have seen. Now third example I will tell you. What is the given. Very simple. In a triangle there is a two sides are given and one angle is given theta. In triangle PQR, angle R is equal to 90 degree. PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. PR is equal to 5 centimeter. Angle R 90. PR is equal to 9 centimeter. You draw the figure first. What is the 90? R is 90. PQ R. PQ is equal to, here 5 centimeter. It is 6 centimeter and it is 5 centimeter. PR is given 5 centimeter. Find sine square Q plus cos square Q. You want to find out this. Find sine square Q and cos square Q. This your question is given. Find sine square Q and cos square Q. PQ is given 6 centimeter, PR is given 5 centimeter and R. Q angle is used here, so it means you will take this acute angle. For this acute angle, it is perpendicular, it is the hypotenuse, it is the base. So calculate by Pythagoras. First of all, for getting this, apply the Pythagoras. By Pythagoras, PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. Put the value here. 6 square is equal to 5 square plus RQ square. 36 minus 5 square, 25, is equal to RQ square. What is your answer? You are getting 11. 11 is equal to RQ square. Then what is the root 11 will be RQ. Root 11 will be the RQ. So you are getting root 11. Now apply, first of all you find out sin Q. What is the sin Q? P upon H. By Pandit Badri Prasad Harar bole, on corner you write down PBP, HHB, continuous. And then you will check from here. P upon H, what is the P? 5 upon 6. Cos Q, B upon H. What is the B? Root 11 upon 6. Now, therefore, sin square Q plus cos square Q is equal to, put the value of sin Q, 5 by 6 whole square plus root 11 by 6 whole square. What are you getting? 25 by 6 plus 11 upon 25 by 36 plus 11 upon 36. Then from here you will get is equal to, take LCM, 36, 25 plus 11. What are you getting? 36 by 36, and it will be cancelled. Your answer is 1. By this you can get any solution from here. 25 plus 11, because denominator is same, so you will add it. So your answer solution for this, you can get the tan square theta, you can get the, your question also find tan square theta. It is 2 part. Also find sin Q into cos Q. You can get second part. Very simple. Sin Q into cos Q. What is the sin Q? What value you have got here? 5 by 6. What will be here? 11 upon 6. So 5 under root 11 upon 6 is the 36. Like this, what is the value of sin into Q into cosec Q? Any you can get. Clear? So I have told you some examples. Some more examples I will tell you in the next lecture based on it. Thanks for today.